Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Beckham from All Season Full Body Chiropractic Center in Fargo, North Dakota. How can chiropractic care help runners? Well, chiropractic care can help runners by, making sure that spine is aligned and that you have the proper nerve supply going to your lower extremities. That would be what happens in most chiropractic offices. But in our office here, we also start out at looking at your kinetic chain, which starts at your feet, which is obviously key for running. We want to make sure you have the proper alignment of your feet, as well as your ankles, your knees, your hips, your pelvis, and your lower back and your spine. Uh, we capture all this stuff through what we have is a motion capture system here. So we can measure specifically what kind of range of motion do you have in all your joints? What does your posture look like? What's your balance like? And we can go through that assessment with you and show you exactly where you are having problems so that we can hopefully, if we need to get it corrected, get it back to full range of motion, full muscle strength, hopefully no pain or discomfort for you there. It's also a very, very good thing to just come in and get assessed and find out, hey, maybe is there something that we can do some, I would call it prehab for you, where we literally are getting you strengthened back up to where you should be at here before you get an injury. So if there's other things that are kind of going on, we can all get that assessed and make sure that, hey, maybe you have a hip that's a little bit tight. Maybe there's a knee that's just not working correctly, and it might be your ankle or your foot. So this motion capture system will help us determine exactly where we need to work on and get it corrected. It usually correlates very, very well with some of the other tests that we do in the office here as well. So a big, big thing with runners is also your feet and the biomechanics of your feet. We also have a digitized gait plate system where we have you walk or run across it here to see how well your feet are working while you're walking or running across it there, so that we can get you some prescription orthotics if needed. If not, we can use that as well as some other exam findings to help even alter the insoles of your shoes so that just biomechanically your feet can work correctly. The big thing is if a person does come in, get assessed, goes through some treatment to get you back to that normal range of motion, normal muscle strength, and no pain, is that we can get you to a point where when you're out running, if something does happen, we can get you back running fairly quickly, because hopefully it's just a smaller injury. Depending on the injury, again, we might have to just find out what it takes, but you should be able to get back up to speed a lot quicker if you've already built your system up to a point where it's already, structurally very, very sound, and work from there. Whereas if it wasn't sound in the first place, now it's harder to get you kind of rehab back up to the point where you can get back running again. So again, if you need orthotics, that digitized gait plate will help us determine that, as well as some other exam findings as well. If you need orthotics, I guarantee them for you, so that, hey, I don't want you to spend money on something that's not going to help you out here. So come on in, let's get you assessed, let's find out what's going on so we can let you know what could be done to help you run better and have less injuries, as well as if you do get an injury, be able to get back to running as quickly as possible. So I hope all this information helps. Feel free to contact us at our phone number, 701-356-0016, or go ahead and email us at office@drpaulbeckham.com, and we'll get you the information or get you scheduled so you can come in and get assessed. I hope this information helps. Have a great day.